ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 3-20 कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिं +3-21 यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः। A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Somavasare, January 18th, 2021. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीमष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठस्तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते। पदच्छेदः। कर्मणा एव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिताः जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहम् एव अपि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुम् अर्हसि यत् यत् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तत् एव इतरः जनः सः यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकः तत् अनुवर्तते। वाक्यांशः पदाभ्यासः अन्वयार्थाश्च। We have the columns here. अन्ये सुबन्ताः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः क्रियावाचकाः। कर्मणा एव हि जनकादयः संसिद्धिम् आस्थिताः सम्पश्यन् त्वम् अपि लोकसङ्ग्रहं कर्तुम् अर्हसि एव। श्रेष्ठः यत् यत् आचरति इतरः जनः तत्तत् एव आचरति सः यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकः तत् अनुवर्तते। I thought it good to put the avyayaha eva, he, api marked with asterisk along with अन्ये सुबन्ताः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः क्रियावाचकाः wherever they make a fluent अन्वयः. Now अन्वयाः and पदाभ्यासः of the above वाक्यांशाः. Number 1. कर्मणा एव हि जनकादयः संसिद्धिम् आस्थिताः। कर्मणा कर्मन् नपुंसकलिङ्गं तृतीया एकवचनं। जनकादयः जनकः आदिः येषां ते बहुव्रीहि। जनक एडजेक्टिव। जन निच नुल। जनकः फादर प्रोजेनिटर। नेम ऑफ अ फेमस किंग ऑफ विदेह और मिथिला, foster father of Sita. He was remarkable for his great knowledge, good works and holiness. After the abandonment of Sita by Rama, he became an anchorite, indifferent to pleasure or pain, and spent his time in philosophical discussions. The sage Yajnavalkya was his priest and advisor. Samsiddhim, samsiddhi, strilingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Samsiddhihi, feminine. Completion, complete accomplishment or attainment. Swanushchitasya dharmasya samsiddhir haritoshanam. Absolution, final beatitude. Samsiddhi. Asthitaha, आ प्लस था तस्य क्त विशेषणम आस्थित। अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम। आस्थित पास्ट पैसिव पार्टिसिपल यूज्ड एक्टिवली। हैविंग ऑब्टेन और गॉट, हैविंग रीच्ड टू। आस्थितः आस्थितस्य हि युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमां गतिम। दिस इज फ्रॉम भगवद गीता 7-18। लोकसंग्रहं कर्तुं, लोकसंग्रहं, लोकसंग्रह पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम। लोकस्य संग्रहः इति लोकसंग्रहः। इन अपटेज डिक्शनरी द वेलफेयर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। लोकसंग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि। दिस सेम श्लोका हैज बीन कोटेड। कर्तुं कृ तुमुन्। कृ कृञि करणे भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्। टू डू, टू मेक करणे, कृ डु कृ करणे तनादिः अष्टमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् टू डू, टू एक्ट, टू मेक संपश्यन् त्वम् अपि अर्हसि एव संपश्यन् सं प्लस दृश् शत्रुविशेषणं संपश्यत् अत्र पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनं संपश्यन् सं प्लस दृश् संदृश् प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी टू सी, टू बिहोल्ड धिङ्मां त्रिशिरसा नाहं संदर्शिष्येद्यत् यत् पुनः टू सी वेल or perfectly, to consider, to reflect upon. अर्हसि लट् लकारः परस्मैपदं मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम् of अर्ह, अर्हं पूजायां भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट् to be worthy, to be eligible, to have merit. श्रेष्ठः यत् यत् आचरति श्रेष्ठः श्रेष्ठ adjective best most excellent preeminent with genitive or locative आचरति आचर लट् लकारः परस्मैपदं प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम् आचर प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी टू एक्ट प्रैक्टिस टू डू परफॉर्म टू अंडरटेक टू एक्सरसाइज असक्तो याचरण कर्म दिस इज फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस श्लोका भगवद गीता 3-19 टू एक्ट proceed, manage without locative. Yad yadacharati shreshta, same shloka has been quoted. With achar, to behave, to perform. Itaraha janaha tat tat eva acharati. Itaraha, itara, sarvanama. Pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Janaha, jana, pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Janaha, jan, ach. Men collectively, the people, the world, in singular or plural, evam jano गृह्णाति. सह यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते, प्रमाणं, standard, norm, प्रमाणं, a measure in general, standard, authority, warrant, one who judges or decides, one whose word is an authority. व्याकरणे पाणिनिः प्रमाणम् sometimes in plural वेदाः प्रमाणाः a true or certain knowledge accurate conception or notion rule sanction precept all these meanings of pramana कुरुते लट् लकारः आत्मनेपदं प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम् of कृ डुक्रि करणे तनादिः अष्टमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् टू डू टू एक्ट टू मेक लोकः तत् अनुवर्तते लोकः पीपल लोकः लोक्यते असौ लोक घै द ह्यूमन रेस mankind men as in लोकातिग लोकोत्तर the people or subjects opposite of the king अनुवर्तते अनुवृत्त लट् लकारः आत्मनेपदं प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम् अनुवृत्त प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी sometimes परस्मैपदी also transitively used to go or roll after follow pursue figuratively to follow conform to act according to obey to adapt oneself to be guided by सारांशतः ओवरऑल मीनिंग कर्मणा एव हि बाय कर्म ओनली जनकादयः जनक एंड अदर्स संसिद्धिम् आस्थिताः became accomplished त्वम् अपि you also अर्हसि एव merit संपश्यन् with proper understanding लोकसंग्रहं कर्तुं doing what is socially beneficent श्रेष्ठः यत् यत् आचरति whatever a venerable person does इतरः जनः तत् तत् एव आचरति other people follow likewise सः यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते whatever he sets as norm लोकः तत् अनुवर्तते common folk follow that छंदो विश्लेषण कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धि अष्टाक्षराणि. His संसिद्धि, because of dhi, C also gets द्वे मात्रे. एतेषां मात्रा एका द्वे द्वे. मास्सिता जनकादयः अष्टाक्षराणि. नकाद एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. लोकसंग्रहमेवापि अष्टाक्षराणि. हमेवा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. संपश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि अष्टाक्षराणि. ऋतुमर्ह एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठ अष्टाक्षराणि. रतिश्रे एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. तत्तद्वेतरो जनः अष्टाक्षराणि. तरोज एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते अष्टाक्षराणि. नङ्कुरु एतेषां मात्राः द्वे एका एका. लोकस्तदनुवर्तते अष्टाक्षराणि. नुवर्त एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. तृतीये पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्यायः, notes of self study. Whatever I have put forth as overall meaning is simple and straightforward, but I thought it good to look into Shankara Bhashyam and Gita Rahasya to get views therein, particularly about the phrases Samsiddhimasthitaha, Lokasangrahaha and Sampashyan. My prompt seems to be right when one sees the detailing on these in Shankara Bhashyam and Gita Rahasya. In Shankara Bhashyam, Samsiddhim moksham gantum asthitaha pravruttaha. The meaning of Samsiddhimasthitaha as moksham gantum pravruttaha is of course interesting. The word asthitaha is interpreted as pravruttaha and is detailed to mean that they were on the path to moksha but had yet not attained. Because they stayed engaged in worldly activities, they are called ignorant. Note the mention Janakadibhi ajanadbhireva kartavyam karma kritam. This taught that knowledgeable ones need not stay engaged in worldly activities is what is not acceptable to Lokmanya Tilak. His interpretation is Janaka and others thus attained release by performing action. In the same way, it is proper that you should perform action keeping an eye on to universal welfare. Sant Jnaneshwar also considers Samsiddhimasthitaha Janakadaya to have attained emancipation, not just moksham gantum pravruttaha. See, dekhapa janakadika karmajata ashesha nasandita achi moksha sukha pavate zale. Grammatically also, the word asthitaha has past tense, inherent, and hence means having attained samsiddhi, not on the way to it. If Adi Shankaracharya and Sant Jnaneshwara are regarded as sages, Lokmanya Tilak, engaging himself in the jail term of all the 7 years in Mandalai in writing his commentary on Gita, is no less. Study of interpretations by all the three becomes an engaging study for sure. Argument of Lokmanya Tilaka proceeds further. Securing universal welfare by one's action is a real ideal to be reached in this world by the Jnani. This is the reason for the words evapi in the phrase Lokasangraham evapi. And these words clearly show that a different subject has now been commenced. The word loka in the phrase Lokasangraha has a comprehensive meaning and includes putting not only mankind but the entire world on a proper path and making a sangraha of it, that is, maintaining, feeding, protecting and defending it in a proper way without allowing it to be destroyed. In Shankar Bhashyam, Lokasangraha is explained as Lokasya Unmarga Pravritti Nivaranam, prevention of mankind from going astray. In the two viewpoints, there is a difference in the interpretation of the word Loka itself. The viewpoint in Shankar Bhashyam interprets Loka to mean only mankind. In the viewpoint of Lokmanya Tilak, Loka means not only mankind but the entire world. Both the viewpoints discuss the purpose or usefulness, prayojanam, of the knowledge gained by the jnani. This is implicit in the word sampashan, meaning applying after proper understanding. To me, the viewpoint of Lokmanya Tilakar is far more appealing. The word Janaka Adaya, raises curiosities as who the others other than Janaka are. In Shankara Bhashyam there is mention of Ashwapati, name of king of Madra and father of Savitri. What is special about Janaka that his name came to the mind first and foremost? As already mentioned from Apte's dictionary, Janaka, name of a famous king of Videha or Mithila, foster father of Sita, he was remarkable for his great knowledge, good works, and holiness. After the abandonment of Sita by Rama, he became an anchorite, indifferent to pleasure or pain, and spent his time in philosophical discussion. The sage Yajnavalkya was his priest and advisor. Since the context is of spiritual attainments, Samsiddhi, that is moksha, mention of Janaka stands out from the word Videha associated with him. Videha is one who has become indifferent to bodily concerns. So, Videha is not necessarily only the name of the country where he ruled, but Videha seems to be an adjective of Janaka, one who has become indifferent to bodily concerns. The mention Lokasangram eva api sampashyan kartumarhasi is a good reminder of what social responsibility we all owe to the society. The word society means the global society. I say this from personal experience that having traveled to 23 countries around the world, what I am is because all those societies have been congenial to me. So I owe it that I must contribute to universal good. An appealing part of study of Sanskrit, especially the scriptures, is that there is always the thought of universal good. People lovingly quote Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This phrase is from the Subhashitam Ayam Nijah Paro Veti Ganana Laghuchetasam Udara Charita Ananstu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Ayam, this person, Nichaha, mine. Paraha, this person, another, Va. Iti, such Ganana, distinction, Laghuchetasam, by narrow-minded. Udara Charitanam, for broad-minded. To, however, Vasudha, whole world, eva, only, Kutumbakam, family. Vasudha eva Kutumbakam. The whole world is a family. Their family. Yad yadacharati shreshtastadevetaro jana brings to mind the quote Gatanugatiko loko na loka paramarthika. Common man lokaha is a follower, Gatanugatika. Gatam anugachati. Not an interpreter of in-depth meaning. Na paramarthika. Paramasya artham karoti yaha saha paramarthika. Saha shrestha yat pramanam kurute lokaha tat anuvartate is an edict for the shreshthas that they, by their conduct, should set norms of conduct. But it is an edict for everybody that everyone's conduct should at least conform to the norms. First and foremost, conduct of no one should be antisocial. Conduct of Duryodhana was antisocial because he did not want Pandavaha to have even as much of land as could stand on the point of a needle. A non-accommodative conduct is antisocial. Live and let live has to be the eternal, universal norm. Antonym of Lokasangraha is Lokvigraha, division of the society, disturbing or damaging the congeniality in the society. Lokvigraha is antisocial, criminal activity. By being on the side of Duryodhana, even Bhishma Pitamaha and Dronacharya became accomplices to the non-accommodative, antisocial, criminal intents of Duryodhana. We have to be conscious of on which side we are, whether on the side of Lokasangraha or on the side of Lokavigraha. How come Bhishma Pitamaha and Dronacharya missed this? They were Shreshthas Arjuna regarded them, respected them, but by their own conduct, they climbed down from their Sreshta status. If being on the wrong side happened with stalwarts like Bhishma Pitama and Dronacharya, that can happen with any one of us. We have to be alert. There are lessons to be learned from every shloka. In Gita, here we learn of responsible social conduct, being on the right side. Is this not so very important, especially in democratic societies, wherein there is a responsibility to vote for the right candidate? Always be sociologically and philosophically mindful, and then Paramapnoti Purusha. You are on the path of Param Shreya. Shubhamastu.